Hello everyone, welcome to day 7. And firstly, I would like to ask you, how are you everyone, and what's going in your life? I hope you are very well and everything is going very well in your life. So guys, you know very well, just I am making video only for one purpose. Just I want to improve my communication skill and just I want to become fluent speaker. That's why I am making this video. And guys, I know very well you are also want to improve your communication skill and talk with anyone without any hesitation, fears. So guys, it's my experience when I was not able to make a single sentence. So that time I was very getting scared whenever I try to talk with anyone. So that time I had a lots of hesitation, fears while talking with anyone, because it was very toxic for me. And whenever I tried to talk with anyone, with someone, so that time I got hesitation. Just I would like to share some ideas with you. Listen, if you want to improve your communication skills, so firstly you will have to give your 100% time for improving and learning English language, because uh, practice is a very most important thing. Practice can easily help you to become fluent speaker and remove your hesitations, fears, whatever you have. And guys, one thing is also most important. If you are trying to talk with anyone in English language, but many people are judging with your English language, so please don't care about those people who thinks about you that you are not able to talk in English language. Because guys, we are learner, so making mistake, making wrong sentences, so don't care about this topic because it's very similar mistake. So I think according to me, we don't need focus and care about these things. Why English is a very most important for in this era? Suppose that if you want to get a professional job, if you want to do work in foreign country, so English is a very most important thing for taking a professional job, because without English you can't take professional job. Firstly you will have to crack your interview, and you know very well, all interview crack with help of English language. All interviewer take interview in English language, so English is a very necessary. And guys, without English you can't crack interview and you can't take your job. So English is a very most important things for in this time. And also if you want to go in foreign country, so you should have a knowledge of English. Without knowledge you can't take interview and you can't go in foreign country, and you can't take a professional job for doing work in foreign country. So English is a very most important things for in this time. I don't care which field you are, want to grow, and which field you want to make your future. In this time, every field needs English language. Without English language, you can't grow. You can't take a good position. So guys, now I'm going to at my home. Bye bye. We will meet you in next video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.